We're Dean and Margaret, and we own Gwin Llyn Wines here in Pwllheli. We think it's vitally important that everybody supports local independent businesses, mainly because for every pound that's spent in a local independent business, at least 64 pence remains in the local economy, and that's far more than spending your pound in a multinational corporation. As well as shopping locally, we also support the local distilleries, breweries and vineyards that are based here in Gwynedd. We have the Arona from Chyllidir, Purple Moose from Porthmadog, Pwllheli from Nevin, the Gwin Llyn Wines from Penygroes, and the Polynesian Gin, which is made just outside Mhwlleli.
So Dilys has been with us for a couple of days. She's now on a travel. She's off to Gam, which is the hairdressers I use in Cricket. It's run by Jano and Anwen, who I've known for years now. They're great girls. They support the local colleges, the Welsh language of course, and they're very good hairdressers. So Dilys, you're off for your makeover, so off you toddle. Thank you.